Want to skyrocket your Amazon profits? I'll go over expert PPC strategies that deliver results in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you can see over the last 5 months or so, this client, we spent $2,000, made $10,000 in sales with an average ACOS of 20%, which is pretty darn good depending on your product. Now, you can see right here, it started a little bit high, the ACOS, but now recently we've been getting the ACOS down to 13%, and as of this month, 11%. So we're cracking the code for ads. The more you run it, the easier it is to get the PPC down lower. And the first thing that you want to do is look at competitors' ad revenue data. So what are the competitors ranking for? What Amazon ads are they running? What keywords are they running Amazon ads for? And this tool called Helium 10, there's a link in the description for free and a discount. You can actually plug in your competitors and see what keywords they're running Amazon ads for, right? So let's say we're selling a portable campfire, okay? And we've got competitor number 1, competitor number 2, competitor number 3, and this is our listing right here. And our listing, it's cheaper than almost all the competitors, right? It's cheaper than these ones. And we have better reviews than most of the competitors right here. So what can we do to try to dominate the Amazon advertising market and show up for the same keywords these two are showing up for? Now, the first thing that we can do is copy the ASIN of one of our top competitors, put it into Cerebro. I'm going to change this to Amazon USA. Click Get Keywords. We're just going to load it, and then it's going to show us the exact paid keywords. So they've got they're ranking for 1,000 paid keywords. But what we're going to do is export this data into a CSV file. And then we're going to open this CSV file and we're going to filter it. And it's going to show us the actual data. Now let's go here. It's going to show us so much data right here, but we're going to filter it. We're going to keep column A. We're going to keep column D. And then we're going to keep column F and Y. A, D, F, Y. Here it is. So you're going to filter this and watch this. Okay, so now we have keyword sales. We have the keywords they're ranking for. We've got the search volume and the sponsored rank. We're going to look at the sponsored rank from what they're ranking number 1 on. So this is pretty much what they're running ads for the most. These are the keywords they're running ads for. Number 1 keywords. Campfire in a can. So we can look at our item right here. And we could see, okay, ours is technically a campfire in a can. So this could be a really good keyword that we could use for our product. So I like this, and it already says that it generated 6 sales. So we could potentially generate sales on this. So I like this one. Radiate portable campfire. But look at this one right here. S'mores maker, right? So again, if we look at our product, what are people going to use this for? For hot dogs, for s'mores, and you could potentially run ads for this. We know our competitor, this competitor right here, is literally running ads for this keyword, s'mores maker, and they're making 81 sales a month just off of this keyword. So if we just took some of that, right, if somebody sees our product and they see their product, oh, $96, that's expensive. Oh, ours is only $12. There's a high chance they're going to click on ours and purchase ours before they purchase theirs because they want it, and ours has better reviews, ours is a better price. So again, this is going to be a great way, and we know this keyword converts. We know that our competitor is running it. Campfire starter, beach camping, beach day. This one's a little broad, so I don't like this, but beach camping, again, a perfect little item to bring on a beach camping trip. Campfire starter, yes. S'mores maker. So again, this is one of the easiest ways, and we already found 4 really good keywords with keyword sales data that we could use, right? Once we make these campaigns, what we're going to want to do is maybe, if possible, put these keywords in our title and run Amazon ads towards them. That's going to help us. Now, we can't put s'mores in the title because it has a trademark. If it's trademarked, we can't put it in the title, but we are allowed to run trademarked ads. So we can use this as an ad, we just can't put it in our title. right? So again, that's going to help us rank, and we can use those as that. Next is going to be lowering your cost per click. So once you're running ads for this, and it's like doing, let's say you generate a couple sales, right? Because we know this is a good keyword. Your goal is to lower your cost per click, and that's what we did. So you can see we're at 22%. What did we do? How did we get our ACOS down to 13%, then 11% right now? What did we do? We slowly lowered our cost per click. So to lower your cost per click, you're gonna find a campaign. So I'm gonna open up this campaign right here, right? And it's gonna look like this. You're gonna right click on targets. You're gonna open up the targets. And then here is the bid. This is where it's spending. You can see the cost per click is around $1.32. And the suggested bid, usually you start at the suggested bid or higher than the suggested bid. The goal, once you're running these ads and they're spending money and they're converting, to slowly, don't do it fast, you have to do it slowly, lower the bid. So you'll be spending the same amount, you'll be getting the same amount of impressions, but your cost per click is going to go down. So instead of spending, let's see, $1.40 or $1.32, I could be like, let's see if it'll work if I run it for $1.30, so a little bit lower, 2 cents less. And it most likely will spend the same exact amount of money. You come back again in a week or 2 weeks and see, is it still spending the same? Is it still doing good? If it is, or if you're still running out of budget, you can lower the bid a little bit again. So the next week I'll come in, I'll do $1.27, just lowering it by like 3 cents. And I'll keep lowering it. We did this for a client and we got it all the way down, I kid you not, to 8 cents per click. And we just left it. And they were getting so many impressions, and their spend was still the same, but their cost per click was so darn low that their ACOS was around 3%. And I can show you them another day. But that's pretty. But if you do it really quickly, if you you come back in a day and you're like, I'm gonna lower it again. Next day you lower it again. It's not how it works. You want to kind of trick Amazon's algorithm, and the more you run it, the more you stay in stock, the easier it is to slowly lower the bid and get it lower and lower. So this one I could probably get down to $1 and still spend the same amount of money. But you want to see it. It might be 90 cents. If we lower it all the way down to 90 cents, it might stop spending. And then we need to increase it and find that happy medium, right? That happy medium is not 156. We don't want to be spending the suggested bid. We want to just keep running it and then lower that keyword bid. Because a lot of the times, what's causing you it to spend so much money is the cost per click. So if you could get the cost per click down low enough and it's still spending money, you know you're going to generate sales at a great price. But that's it for today's video. What's the biggest PPC challenge you faced on Amazon? Let's talk about it in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, a popular service that we offer is Amazon Advertising Management. This is where our team is going to come in every single day, use our best strategies to create your ads, find better keywords to rank for, and then find those winning keywords, put them in separate campaigns, and of course, making sure that your sales go up, your spend goes down, and your ACOS, ROAS do much better than what they're doing right now. That's a constant full-time job in order to do that, and that's what we specialize in. So if you do need help with ads and you don't want to be monitoring your ads every single day over the weekend, we're going to be doing it for you manually to make sure everything's optimized and you're ranking for the best keywords possible. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.